And of course, Tim Hortons has the lineup, so I can't even get my nice morning coffee. Duty free. Check my flight. Yeah, I don't see it. All right. Come on!
Tracksuit at me here. And I mean my blow, I'm not responsive. Tracksuit at me here first. I go spot the Kayla. Face pretty like a flower. Come, hold up, hold up.
You're going.
Yeah,
You already have your Grand Marquis
You
shoe.
need to get used to Jamaican Christmas Eve and Christmas. They know.
Danje,
They gather together.
Danje, you're going on YouTube.
666.
Have some picture with you never wear a deal.
Wait, let me bring the camera lower. That way nobody see your hairline.
So Auntie Debbie, what's for Christmas dinner tomorrow? Corridors and brunch too. Next one.
Blue one, or the white one, or the black one.
My clothes have sleeve, I just show that they cut down.
So you're coming out tonight? Or you?
Sponsor me.
Huh?
Sponsor me. Eh?
Who?
Yeah,
I'll sponsor it. I'll fully sponsor your lineup.
Line up.
Yeah.
I'm a line up, no line good, we go start for you.
But I didn't tell you to don't go to the same barber as them.
No barber
There's
can
a one
start
across. I
line.
want across the
Listen, me no man, you don't understand what
Oh,
I'm
if I touch him,
saying. Listen to me.
can't do it.
You see the only barber kings you couldn't trim me, they are foreign and you come back. So you know it's from me.
So everybody hairline fuck up.
Yeah, look for him.
You're serious?
Barber. You want to say what kind of line is that? The barber left you so high and you so low. And sit in line in
Alright, continue.
But better you want him to the dance.
Yeah.
You look like mom.
Yeah, Anthony, you need to fix up yourself.
Fix up, you are going to need fix up like when a mechanic a deal with a big truck.
So where are you going? You're going to Kingsville?
Fire! Man, back a man.
You're going to Kingsville?
Eh?
You're going to go to Kingsville? Yeah. Right now.
I'm a line mash.
They're not going to mash it up. Yo, don't come after me with my shit. Don't come after me. Don't come after me. Lucy?
Yeah.
So you're gonna enter Lucy like that?
What do you mean? May I wear hat too?
No, I mean like you
I'm tired. We're not gonna stay long. Even
Serious?
No, like
they're here.
Me here, may I
go
wear
to
hat?
Kingsville.
we're just gonna stay a little while. I just
Look for me outfit,
to
man.
go see what it's like, but
You know.
not to say really stay.
Huh?
Where's the what's some brother?
Hey, what going on? You know the chefs go about the place, don't joke there.
Somewhere here, I got one thing on a monster. The man never buy a street.